Welcome, I'm Dr. Janine Bowring, naturopathic doctor, and today I'm talking about vitamin E and the food sources of vitamin E. So the vitamin E RDA is 15 milligrams for adults, and that converts to 22.4 international units. For children, it's a little bit lower at 4 to 11 milligrams per day, which is 6 to 16.4 international units. So some of the highest sources of natural vitamin E, and remember vitamin E, which I talked about in another video, has 8 different natural components, the tocotrienols plus the tocopherols. So abalone, have you heard of abalone? This is a mollusk from the sea, so this is a type of seafood similar to oysters, and it has 23% of the daily value of vitamin E at 3.4 milligrams per serving. Now oysters, so 100 grams of oysters will give you 2.68 milligrams of natural vitamin E, which is 18% of the daily value. And a half a fillet of Atlantic salmon will give you 2 milligrams and 14% of the daily value of vitamin E. Now, in terms of vegetarian sources, the highest source is sunflower seeds, and dry roasted sunflower seeds, just an ounce of them will give you 7.4 milligrams of vitamin E, which is 49% of the daily value for vitamin E. So make sure you are eating your sunflower seeds. Also kiwi, so if you love your fruit, a medium kiwi will give you 1.1 milligrams of vitamin E. Spinach, so a half a cup of boiled spinach will give you 1.9 milligrams of vitamin E. And avocado, so just half an avocado will give you 2.1 milligrams of vitamin E. So this is one of my favorite sources to go to for my natural vitamin E every day. Olive oil, another one of my favorites, at 1.95 milligrams of vitamin E, which is 13% of the daily value. Shrimp, 1.4 milligrams, or 8% of the daily value. Broccoli, so 1/2 cup of chopped boiled broccoli will give you 1.2 milligrams and 8% of that daily value. Asparagus will give you 1 milligram, and almonds, so almonds is something that I enjoy most days of my life, at 6.8 milligrams and 45% of that daily value of that natural sourced vitamin E. So there you have it. Those are the best food sources of vitamin E. Make sure that you're incorporating them into your daily diet to ensure that you're getting all of the benefits, not only for your immune system, but also the beauty benefits, and making sure that you're keeping your blood nice and thin, and for your cardiovascular health and your arteries, this is really important as well. So I hope that you learned something new. Please be sure to share this video. Also give me a big thumbs up. I truly appreciate all of your positive feedback. And if you're new to my channel, welcome in. I'm Dr. Janine. Make sure that you do subscribe and turn on those notifications by clicking that bell so you're always notified of my newest and my latest uploads, which happens every single day of the week. And remember to always take good care of your health and do it naturally. Thanks for watching today.